Hello everyone, this is the unboxing video of Pioneer SPH C19BT car stereo. The pack comes with a safety travel kit and some connecting wires, external mic and connecting screws, and there you have the car stereo. This is the new model launched by Pioneer. It's a Bluetooth smartphone connectivity player, and it does not comes with an external remote, so everything is controlled via the mobile. So you need to install the Pioneer Smart Sync app, which lets you connect to the system, and then everything is controlled via mobile. You have shortcut keys on that stereo player, which can, like, you can toggle your call logs, messages, navigations, and music players. The player supports both Android and iOS mobiles. It comes with voice command assist, which gives you hands-free control. I bought this from Car Sense Accessories, Alandur, Chennai. I got it for approx 6K, but you can get cheaper than this from online. But it's quite risky. Why? Because Pioneer doesn't support warranty if not bought from authorized dealer. Okay, let's quickly go through the wiring and the installation process. So that's the harness connector, which you need to buy separately, which gives power supply to the player and connectivity to the all four speakers installed. And that's the radio connectivity wire. These two needs to be bought separately. These are not included with the player. Let's fast forward a bit. Talking about speakers, I have installed JBL 350 watts in the rear doors, and in the front I have installed 320 watts Pioneer 6-inch speakers. So Satish from CarSense is the person who did the wiring. He was quite quick, and he has concealed all the wires together properly, and there was no dangling of wires. So you can see that how neatly he has done it out. As I said earlier, this player comes with an external mic, and then there is no inbuilt mic. Satish is actually fixing it, so it's almost done. So let's quickly check the audio quality. Here is the audio quality test of Pioneer SPH C19BT. I'm playing the royalty free music so that there is no copyright issue. I've changed another song. And I have paired my mobile with the Pioneer Smart Sync app, and also I have set the illumination into multiple colors so that it keeps on changing as the song keeps playing. So this is how the effect is. I've kept the volume in 30, and I have kept all the equalizer and everything as a flat so that, like, it's not enhanced audio. So it's pretty good actually. Thank you.